Paul Drayson, Baron Drayson. Paul Rudd Drayson, Baron Drayson FReng PC, born 5 March 1960, is a British businessman, amateur racing driver, and Labour politician. He was Minister of Science in the Department for Business, Innovation and Skills until May 2010, where he replaced Ian Pearson. In June 2009, he was additionally appointed as Minister of State for Strategic Defence Acquisition Reform at the Ministry of Defence. After losing his ministerial positions in the general election 2010, he decided to devote himself totally towards his motorsports company Drayson Racing Technology. He is chairman and CEO of Drayson Technologies Limited. Early life and career. After attending St. Dunstan's College, Drayson graduated from Aston University in production engineering, followed in 1986 by a PhD in robotics. From 1986 to 1991, he was managing director of the Lambourne Food Company. From 1992 to 1998, he was managing director of Justin de Blanc Limited. In 1993, he co-founded Powderjet Pharmaceuticals plc in Oxford, which specialized in the production of vaccines, and was chief executive until 2003 when Powderjet was acquired by Chiron Corp. Between 2001 and 2002, he was the chairman of the Bioindustry Association. From 2002 to 2005, he was chairman of the fundraising campaign to build a children's hospital at John Radcliffe Hospital in Oxford. Since 2003, he has been the entrepreneur in residence at the said business school, Oxford University. Drayson is the current president of the Motorsport Industry Association. He is chairman and CEO of Drayson Technologies Limited near Oxford. Labour Party. Drayson has been a large contributor to the Labour Party, with BBC News reporting in 2005 that he was made a Lord and then the UK Defence Procurement Minister after giving New Labour more than £1. He donated £100,000 in 2002 before Powderjet Pharmaceuticals plc was awarded a £32 million contract for a smallpox vaccine. He donated £505,000 on 17 June 2004, 6 weeks after being appointed to the House of Lords by Tony Blair, and a further £500,000 on 21 Dis. Government. Sensine Health. Sensine Health, floated on the AIM in 2018, uses NHS data to provide clinical insights to the pharmaceutical industry. In 2020, Drayson was accused of creating a culture of fear at Sensine. Personal life. Drayson is married to Elspeth Bellhouse, the daughter of scientist Brian Bellhouse. They have 5 children and live between homes in London and Netherlypiat Manor near Stroud in Gloucestershire, purchased for £5.75 million in 2006 from TRH, Prince and Princess Michael of Kent. Self-described as a car nut and "I am a government minister," he has owned an Aston Martin Vanquish, his wife an Aston Martin DB9, and his collection includes a Lotus Elan. He has also raced a bioethanol-powered Aston Martin DBR9 GT3 spec race car for Barwell Motorsport in the British GT Championship. He competed in the American Le Mans Series AMS. Drayson was born blind in one eye, which, under FIA rules, prevented him from acquiring an international racing license for participation in the Le Mans 24 Hours. In light of his performance during the 2008 AMS season and FIA rule changes, he was granted an international license to allow him the chance of competing in the 2009 24 Hours of Le Mans. Drayson finished 37th overall and 12th in class at the race. He also competed at the 2010 event but failed to finish. Drayson has currently competed in 2 seasons of the AMS with a best finish of a win at the 2010 Road America race in an Olympi Lola B9/60. For 2011, Drayson made the switch to the EV Cup, a new championship for electric cars. He will drive a Westfield iRacer. 24 Hours of Le Mans results. Honors. Drayson was elevated to the House of Lords on 1 June 2004, made a working peer titled Baron Drayson of Kensington in the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea. In July 2011, Drayson was elected as Fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering, the UK National Academy for Engineering. Arms.